Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. First of all, apologies for posting this video a little bit earlier than usual, but I've got a very busy afternoon planned, but I thought it would be better to post it earlier than not at all. So in front of me we have the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see, today's trading session so far in the pre-market, we're trading towards the downside ever so slightly, but we're pretty much flat. We had a fantastic close yesterday. We closed right near the session highs, which is what I was looking for, and that has given me a buy signal. I mentioned on Monday that I was starting to see signs of the market bottoming out. Okay, we had fallen 11% off the highs up at 13,900. We hit a low of roughly 12,250, and it was a clean correction. In fact, it was the 9th fastest correction of 10% the Nasdaq 100 has seen. And as I just mentioned, signals were starting to show that buying opportunities were there to be taken advantage of. Last Friday, for example, for the first time, we had the Nasdaq 100 finish in a bullish territory, along with the yields also finishing in the green. So that was a massive buying signal. Today we have the 10-year auction, so we could see some more upside bullishness here for the Nasdaq 100. It looks to me that for perhaps today's trading session, we may just be trying to digest the gains. Okay, so it'll be very, very interesting to see what happens after the US market opens, whether we do trade down lower. If we do trade down lower, it will start to worry me, because that will be it could it could mean that there's going to be a return of this huge amounts of volatility in either direction. I don't like trading these choppy trading sessions when you're up to 2% for the open and then you end the day down 2%. I don't like putting and investing my hard-earned cash, let alone my signal followers' money, into markets like this, because it's almost impossible to predict. I don't care who you are, whether you're Warren Buffett, it's very, very difficult to predict where the market's going to be in 2 or 3 hours time when a market is this choppy. But once I start to see signs of the market's becoming more stable, that will offer fantastic buying opportunities. In fact, yesterday I did open 2 buy trades on the Nasdaq 100 just before the close. So I am now bullish. I think very, very soon, within the next couple of trading sessions, providing that we don't have this choppiness return to the market, we will see the Nasdaq 100 trade back up towards the 50-day EMA, which is where that green line is. That's my first take profit up at 13,000, and then I think after that we go up towards 13,300 area. That's where we saw some noise going back a week or two. We struggled to break above that 13,300 to go back up towards 13,500. But I'm very, very bullish for these big tech names. You've seen numerous amounts of hedge fund managers come out on the likes of CNBC, on Bloomberg TV, and say right now is a fantastic buying opportunity. And all this has been hedge funds, banks, retail traders trimming their positions in tech and then investing it into value, and this is going to help broaden the rally. Okay, we're not just going to see the tech stocks surge over the next year or so, we're also going to see the value stocks surge along with them, which is actually fantastic. That is what you want in a bull market. You don't want a huge difference between tech and the likes of value, for example. You want to see value and growth stocks surge at the same time. So I'm incredibly bullish on the Nasdaq 100. I think US as a whole is about to see a huge bull run going into the end of the latter going into the latter end of 2021 and especially 2022. An economic boom is coming, but don't be mistaken, tech will thrive along with the value stocks. Okay, everything we do now has become more digital, and that's not going to change, especially in the short run. So I am bullish, no interest in selling. 13,000 is the